Hello mga ka-Jumix ko po dyan. Ayan, kung bago pa lang guys sa channel ko, please don't forget, subscribe Jumix channel, like, view, share, comment, and hit the bell button para lagi po kayong updated sa lahat na-upload ko pong mga video. Ayan mga ka-Jumix, ito naman po ito mga ka-Jumix ng pamangkin ng aking kaibigan na si Madam Beth. Ayan mga ka-Jumix, kaya watching po tayo. Keep watching until the end of my video. Ayan, mag-enjoy po kayo nito mga ka-Jumix.
And welcome to our main game for the 2026 Calderon Cup Intertown 21 Under Basketball Tournament. Our main game will feature the visiting Walwal versus your home team, Ronda. And now, let's meet the starters. Starting for the visiting Walwal.
May sponsor din eh, kay
Guard number 21, Ren Sevillo. The other guard, number 86, Glenn Sabah. Forward, number 8, Jumer Lacanilao. And the other forward, number 20, John Abilis. Center, number 29, Lance Igurote. Head coach for Walwal, J.S.R. Esperat. With Walwal Mayor, Titing Cameron. And now, Ronda, let's meet your starters. Starting at point guard number 2, Charlie Pico. The other guard number 7, Joseph Rodriguez. Forward number 17, Joshua Oncaman. Power forward number 20, James Pugadas. And center number 25, Lance Langita. Head coach for Municipality of Ronda, J. Ford Rodriguez, with Mayor Chantini Blanco in attendance tonight. Our officials for this ball game are referees Rachi Nayupay, Jimmy Queros, and Alex Ganius. This game is under the supervision of the Samahan Basketball of Pilipinas. And of course with our tournament commissioner, Jun Miguelin, and our tournament chairman, Attorney Ramil Labi. And of course, brought to us by our Honorable Congresswoman Patsy Calderon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Ronda, it's game time! Ronda Basketball.
taas yun eh, mga po daw. Taas eh, mga po nga dako. Bata pa pila pa edad, ani? Ha? Dako, mo. Taas pa ni damo eh. Taas pa ni.
Ball number 86. Sabah his first personal first team foul for ball one. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Nag-video ta. Ay, mo na nga po, wala. Wala na.